Ensure your vehicle is out of direct sunlight, in a garage or shady area. Clean off any dust and dirt and remove any loose glass fragments with the razor blade provided. Set up the applicator base with the center of the ring over the impact point. Screw the resin chamber into the ring of the applicator base until the rubber head just touches the glass. Cut off the top of the resin bottle. Dispense 5 drops of the resin into the resin chamber. Screw the plunger into the resin chamber until it is nearly all the way in. Confirm that the rubber mouth has opened firmly and check that the resin has started to penetrate into the damaged area. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the plunger. This enables the air trapped inside the damage to be removed. Repeat if necessary. Screw the plunger into the resin chamber again. Make sure that the damaged area is completely clear. Then unscrew the plunger, then the resin chamber, and remove the applicator base. Apply 2 drops of resin to the damaged area and then cover with the curing strip. Next, expose to direct sunlight for 5 minutes. Remove the curing strip and then scrape away the hardened excess resin with the razor blade provided. Your permanent repair is now complete.